The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C9 takes the legendary Corvette legacy into a new era, blending iconic styling with groundbreaking performance. This C9 generation offers everything Corvette enthusiasts crave, but with refined advancements that elevate it to a supercar level. The exterior design is aggressive, with sharp lines and aerodynamic elements that emphasize speed and precision. Chevrolet has taken inspiration from both racing aesthetics and cutting-edge aerodynamics, resulting in a sleek profile that doesn't just look fast, it's built to be fast. From the bold front fascia to the muscular rear with quad exhaust tips, the C9 delivers an unmistakably athletic stance that captures attention from any angle. Under the hood, Chevrolet has gone all out with engine options that push the boundaries of power. The base model still boasts an impressive V8 engine, delivering robust power and an exhilarating drive. For those seeking even more intensity, the C9 offers advanced powertrains, including options for hybrid and possibly all-electric models, marking Chevrolet's commitment to the future of automotive technology. The V8 engine in the higher trims provides mind-blowing horsepower that propels the C9 from 0 to 60 in a matter of seconds, competing with high-end supercars on performance while staying true to its American muscle roots. Inside, the Corvette C9's cabin is an immersive experience, focusing on both driver and passenger comfort without sacrificing sportness. The driver-centric cockpit layout ensures that all controls are within easy reach, enhancing the connection between driver and machine. High-quality materials cover every surface, and the craftsmanship is evident in the intricate stitching, premium leather, and aluminum accents. Chevrolet has also integrated the latest in infotainment, with a touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to entertainment features, while an advanced digital gauge cluster provides all the performance metrics a driver needs at a glance. The technology upgrades in the 2025 Corvette C9 are substantial. Chevrolet has packed the C9 with advanced driving aids and connectivity features, including a heads-up display that projects essential driving information onto the windshield, so you never have to take your eyes off the road. In terms of safety, the C9 includes adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and enhanced braking systems to give drivers added peace of mind, whether they're on the track or cruising the highway. For those who value sound, the upgraded audio system offers crystal-clear quality that can make the roaring V8 an optional background track. The Corvette C9's chassis and suspension have been finely tuned for both agility and comfort. This model features advanced adaptive suspension that adjusts to the road, ensuring a smooth ride without compromising the handling needed for high-speed performance. The result is a car that feels equally at home on a twisty back road as it does on a track day. The C9 also introduces an all-wheel drive option for improved traction and control, making it a versatile performer under all conditions. Ultimately, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C9 represents the pinnacle of American automotive engineering. It combines raw power, refined styling, and modern technology into a package that keeps the Corvette name relevant in the supercar world. Chevrolet has crafted a car that honors its roots while pushing forward with new tech and performance capabilities. The C9 isn't just a car, it's an experience designed to thrill both longtime Corvette fans and newcomers alike. It's clear that Chevrolet has set a high bar with the C9, a model that will surely go down as a highlight in Corvette history.